Teachable tutorial for beginners, how to create an online course with Teachable, quick and easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, I will be sharing some information on how you can easily create an online course with Teachable. Online courses are a great way to create passive income online while serving your target audience with your knowledge. And one of the best way to create an online course is with Teachable. Teachable is an all-in-one platform that helps you create and sell courses online. Teachable handles everything from web hosting to payment processing. They give their user more time so that they can focus on what matters the most, which is creating an awesome online business to people who wants to learn. So today I'm going to take you step by step through the process of creating your online course on one of the best online learning platform, Teachable. So first thing first, go to teachable.com and you will see a page that looks like this. You are free to scroll down and you will see here different webinars and also courses that you can join if you like to. But before we begin, let's first check its pricing. So let me just scroll up and click on pricing. So here they have four different plans that I can choose from, and it has unlimited products and students on all plans. The first plan is the free plan. It includes basic features such as unlimited students, $1 plus 10% per transaction. This is the service fee of this platform for being free. Instant payouts, unlimited courses, unlimited coaching services, product bundles, course design templates, one admin level user, product support, third party integrations, and basic quizzes. The second plan is the basic plan for $29 per month, and it includes 5% fee per transactions. And other features as well is covered or included in this plan. But for the Pro plan for $99 per month and the business plan for $249 per month, they don't have any transaction fee and they include more advanced features. So let's just go ahead and create an account. I will be selecting the free plan here. And to sign up, just provide your name, email, and create your own password. And also don't forget to check this box and click on continue. So let me just fill out this form very quickly. And after that, you'll be prompted to tell a little more about yourself. So just answer the following questions here. Are you a business owner? Which topic is the most relevant to your business or content? What category best describes your business stage? Are you already teaching an online course? And what is the size of the audience? Once you answered all these questions, then click on continue and you'll be redirected to your home dashboard. Now this is now your account and you can see here you have your own web domain. And since we are using the free plan, our web domain has their name on it, teachable.com. So for starter, you'll have your guide to create your first online course. So you make sure you already have all your files needed for your course, like the video for your class, links, files, and everything. So let's just get started. Click on create a product and here choose a product you want to create. Here you have two options, course and coaching. And for today's video, let's just select course and then name or provide title for your online course. For example, I will name it Advanced Photoshop for Beginners. Then the author, if you have a different admin in your account, as we checked earlier, if you will be upgraded your plan to paid plan, you can add more than one admin in your account. So click on continue after that. Once you created your course, you may access it in your course menu from the left sidebar. And just wait for the setup to finish. And now here is the curriculum. So you can name your first section. And from your first section, you can also add different lectures. Section is like a chapter and lecture will be the lesson under your chapter. So let's name it. For the first section, I will name it Photoshop Intro. And for lecture, I will first create a video about my goal for this course so that my students will know what they can get from this course after. And once done, just click on the lecture to start adding your course files. Here you can add your file, so just click on the plus icon and you can add file from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or you may also add link URL and other. Also, you can add text here and also add quiz. But for the quiz, the free plan, you cannot grade your students. To allow the grading feature, you must upgrade your plan to paid plan. And also coding for those who have more knowledge on HTML coding. And you may also allow the upsell feature for your coaching session if you have, but it also requires you to upgrade your free plan to paid plan. So let me just upload my file here very quickly, so give me a moment. So I successfully added a file here. So the next thing that we need to do is to add text about your class or topic for this lesson. Then after that, once you add your curriculum, your video, text, and everything, then you can add your pricing plan. Just click down here to add your pricing plan. Then click on Add Pricing Plan. And here you have 4 sets of pricing plan. The free plan, you allow access to your content free of charge, or you can set up a one-time payment, or payment plan, set fixed number of monthly payment, or subscription to set up recurring payment. Then let me select one-time payment here for today's tutorial. And here you can add your pricing. For example, I will add $10. Then I will name the plan like full course. Then you may add your subtitle here and description of the coverage for this plan. And then click on add pricing once you're done. And here we successfully added the pricing plan. You may also add more pricing plan here if you like to. Just click on add pricing. And again, for a free plan, there is a transaction fee of $1 plus 10% per transaction in your online course. Then the last step that we need to do is to publish your online course once you are ready. So just click on publish down here. So here you can brand your course, like you can add custom course image, just upload your image here. You may also make changes, the information of your course here if you like to, or change author. And you may also allow course compliance. It's like a setting up prerequisite, requires your student to complete certain action to go through the course, but this feature only available for paid plan. So with your free plan, your student can jump to any lesson or skip some lesson if they like to. You may also set default page. And once everything here are set up, you may go ahead and save it. And with that, you successfully publish your online course. And you may promote your online class or course to your social media. Just copy and paste your course URL link. And that's how easy and fast you can create an online course and sell it here. And Teachable will also take care of your students' payment, so there's no need for you to worry about. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you learned from this video. And if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.